Let's make Pusser's Rum's Hot Toddy. Hi, I'm Jer. Welcome to Kill-Divill, where we focus on rum and cocktail. Today we're going to make the Hot Toddy recipe from Pusser's Rum. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're returning to the channel, welcome back. In either case, I hope you enjoy this drink. There are a lot of different versions of Hot Toddies out there. This one, the Pusser's Rum Hot Toddy, is designed to showcase Pusser's Rum's Blue Label rum. Other than that, I do have a video on Hot Toddies if you'd like to check that out. Link to that will be down below in the description. It'll also be at the end of the video. A note on the rum. As I mentioned, this is the Pusser's Rum official Hot Toddy, and it uses their Blue Label rum. If you want to use this recipe with another rum, feel free to do so, but then you're not making the official Pusser's Rum Hot Toddy. We are going to make this drink in the glass. In this case, a mug. And yes, it has a J on there for Jer. It was a Christmas gift, leave me alone. I'm going to start by putting one cinema stick in that mug. Then I'm going to put one lemon rind. It actually says half of a lemon rind. Lemons are pretty big, so I don't think they mean the whole lemon, so I just did a little twist. I'm going to put that in the mug as well. Next, and this is the really exciting part, I'm going to do the exciting part in the middle. I have a zester, a microplane. Ow! I'm just kidding. It's got a plastic thing on it that's not coming off now. And I have real nutmeg, and these are from my good friends Amy and Jason. Thank you, Amy and Jason. I really appreciate being able to use the real stuff now, so I'm going to try. This is going to be my first time using it on camera. First time using it ever, so let's see how that goes. Is this how I do it? Because I need a dash of nutmeg in here. How much is a dash when you're grinding it yourself? I don't know, I think that's enough. Moving on. Now, the next two ingredients, they use tablespoons. I'm going to measure them in ounces. I need 3 tablespoons of fresh lime juice, 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, and that's 1.5 ounces of lemon juice, which is 45 milliliters. 4 tablespoons of honey. 4 tablespoons is 2 ounces, which is 60 milliliters. I don't like working with honey directly because it's very sticky and it moves slow, so I make it into a honey syrup. The recipe for that will be down below if you want to check it out. I did say that 2 ounces, 60 milliliters. And almost finally, the rum. 3 ounces of your Pusser's Blue Label rum. 3 ounces is 90 milliliters. Finally, the hot water. I'm going to go heat some water. I'll be right back with you. Hot water at the ready. I'm going to put in 6 to 8 ounces of water. And by putting that, I'm not going to measure it. I'm just going to top it off, basically. I did think about using one of my tempered glass glasses instead of a mug, but this is a lot of fluid, and my tempered glass glasses are not big enough. Set this aside. Now, we're going to stir this till everything is incorporated, which shouldn't be long. Maybe that's incorporated. And that's it. I think the garnish is already there. Maybe you could use the nutmeg as a garnish on top instead of mixing it in, but it does say mix it in on the recipe, so that's what we did. And there you have it, the Pusser's Rum Hot Toddy. Drink with good spirits. Question of the day, what is your favorite version of the Hot Toddy? Let me know in the comments down below. Double points if it's based on rum, and triple points if you give me the recipe so I can make it here on the channel. Note there are ways to support the channel if you're so inclined. I have t-shirts. You can have a t-shirt. If you want a t-shirt, contact me through any of the social media links down below. We'll make sure you get a t-shirt. And while you're there, might as well follow, subscribe, and do that sort of thing. Finally, if you made it this far, give me a like, give me a subscribe, turn on notifications so you don't miss out on anything that I do. And until next time, cheers.